Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete YouTube videos from your account on YouTube. Videos that you previously uploaded but now you want to delete it. Very easy, very simple. All this is going to happen inside the YouTube app. So we launch the app over here and we want to go on our own profile. We're clicking on the lower right corner where you see the small profile picture, and then you're going to come over here on the section your videos. When you click on it, you will have an option over here where you're going to see all the videos that you previously uploaded. So very important is that each of the video has these three dots on the right side of the video, right? If you click on these three dots, you will have an option, which is the last one, to click delete video. Very important is that once when you click delete video, the video will be deleted forever, and there is no such thing as a place where you can find the video and restore the video. So if you really want to delete the video, you want to make sure that you're aware of the consequences. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.